Y'all aren't gonna lead me astray, right? I trust you, chat.
You shouldn't.
Why not? Doesn't everybody have good intentions?
Oh.
Yeah, I've sure got some great ones.
Not you.
Oh, I'm
Cass.
sure you do. That's why you're grounded.
You can't ground me.
Kane holds a shovel. Did I stutter?
Oh my goodness.
You just see him like take Jax and then drop him into the ground. Grounded.
That would be great.
He just clips into the ground. It's like, oh great.
Oh, finally.
The ground.
Another one for Tristan. Tristan, you're just grabbing every single one of these, aren't you? Thank you so much. And Tristan, I know you requested that we share your video. I'm so sorry that we can't. One, I'm not set up to share things. Two, I don't know that that's a good idea because we can't just like show things to people. You know what I mean? But I appreciate it.
Yes, we all appreciate you. I think Tristan ordered from me as well.
What is?
Well, speaking of Tristan, I'm actually doing a print from him right now.
Wow. I don't know how far down I have to go for Tristan.
Well, here we are. Tristan, remember, reality is an illusion. The universe is a hologram. Buy gold, buy!
Ah! It's very good.
Including my little crappy Bill Cipher doodle.
Goose says, I'm so excited for people to see these cute characters mentally deteriorate. Me too.
Yay!
Goose, you're hurting me.
I can't wait for the children to absolutely be traumatized because it's not made for kids.
That was the hilarious thing at the event. Some parent asked me, they were like, "Is this appropriate for my child?" And I was like, "Well, it's not inappropriate."